All right, guys, so let me give you an example of how you can use Mixus together with Jira to automate different project management related tasks that you don't want to be doing. So after connecting Jira to your Mixus account, you can go ahead and say anything like, give me a summary of all overdue Jira issues. And Mixus is automatically going to go ahead and pull that information from your connected Jira account. So you can see here it's searching Jira now, but I could really tell it to do anything. I could say, create a new task in Jira, assign it to this person, set the due date for whatever, right? So I don't even have to use Jira's UI anymore. I can just go to Mixus and tell it what I want to get done in Jira, and Mixus is going to do that for me. So now you can see we have these overdue issues here. There's 26 total. It's showing us all this information here, what the priority is, who's assigned, and when the due date was, and so on. So normally what you'd have to do as a project manager is go ahead and manually remind people to complete these tasks. But we don't want to do that because it's a tedious thing that nobody wants to do. So let's go ahead and simply say, could you go ahead and remind all the assignees here about their overdue tasks? And Mixus is automatically going to do that for us. So you can see here it's saying, I'll send reminder emails to each assignee about their overdue Jira tasks. And you can see now it's sending the first email here. Now, I also had some overdue tasks in Jira, so I'm going to get one of these emails too, and I'll show you that right now. All right, so this is the email that I received saying, I got 11 overdue Jira tasks requiring my attention, and, please prioritize these tasks, provide an update on your progress, and then highlighting which tasks I got to get done. So, I would actually like to run this agent every day. To do that, all I got to do is go back into Mixus, and over in Mixus here, I can simply go to agents and click on create agent and choose generate based on this chat. So now it's creating a new agent based on the chat that I just had. And I can save this agent and say, I want to schedule this run. So I could say I would like to run it daily, every day at 9 a.m., right? So now every day at 9 a.m., if there's any overdue tasks, everyone on our team is going to get notified about those tasks through, an email telling them, hey, get this done. And obviously, as always with Mixus, you're in complete control of what your agent does. So if I wanted to verify these emails before they're sent out to our team, I could easily set that step as having human verification required. Now, in this case, I don't think that is important. But if we were sending out these emails externally, I'd probably want to do that. All right, so this was just a brief demo of how you can use Mixus together with Jira to automate a very tedious task that a lot of project managers have to do. So thanks so much for watching, and much more coming soon.